Hi kids, my name is ImaginDAN and welcome to I Can Draw, You Can Draw, We Can Draw. We are going to draw some of the silliest, craziest things you've ever drawn in your whole life, and I know you're up for it. You can do this. It's going to be so much fun. Before we draw, let's go on a couple trips to get our imaginations going. So we're here in the ImaginWOW studios, which are awesome, but let's go on a quick trip to, I don't know, maybe space? Whoa! I'm floating in space. There's the Earth. There's the moon. Let's go to underwater. Underwater is really cool. There's a big old shark. Oh my goodness, let's go, let's go. Oh, thank goodness. That was fun, but that was a close one. That shark was huge. I'm ready to draw. Let's do this. So when we get to drawing, there's only one rule, and that is that everybody can draw. And that's why we like to call this session, I can draw, you can draw, we can draw. Let's say it one more time. I can draw, you can draw, we can draw, because everybody can draw, and drawing is so much fun. And to draw today, we are going to use the ImaginWOW app. So let's get that fired up. And this is what ImaginWOW looks like. And it gives you fun stuff to draw, and it gives you timing to draw it, and then it gives you music to draw too. So this is a classic one. We went camping on the moon and roasted tennis shoes. All right, so we have 2 minutes to draw that. So get your markers and your pens ready. Get your pieces of paper out, because we are going to be drawing right now. 2 minutes. Here we go. We're going to be on the moon, and we're camping on the moon. So when you go camping, a lot of times you have a tent, maybe. So I'm going to be drawing a tent. Who's been camping before? If you haven't gone camping, it's a lot of fun. So we got to remember, we got to roast something, so we got to have a fire. Or maybe you can come up with something even cooler than a fire. All right, my tennis shoes are going to be blue. All right, I'll put the earth in here. We got a few seconds left. Actually, we got a bunch of time left. 44 seconds. "15 seconds left, kids. You can do this." Three, two, one. Time's up. So here you go. This is mine. I'm gonna give your teacher some time to share you guys with each other. And I hope you come back for another session really quick. That was so much fun. We have way more things to draw. With ImaginWOW, you can have a million things to draw. So I hope you have the best day. And remember, I can draw, you can draw, we can draw. Thanks so much and have a great day, guys. Bye.